Hi, what's up, Tron coin holder? What's going on this time, my friend? I am going to predicate this coin. I will give you, my friend, very special information about Tron coin and what's my opinion. Everything I'm going to discuss now. But please, if you are new my channel, first of all, subscribe this channel and after that, press the bell icon for videos notification. 6.36% the price will increase now in last 3 days. You can see, my friend, 0.101344 USD dollar. This is the highest price, and you can see the current price is also same now. Not a big difference. Please, holder, you will need to hold on. If you are starting selling, so there is a chance, my friends, to Tron will never give you a profit. But if you are starting holding, so I hope, my friends, to they will give you a very good profit now. So I hope, my friends, you will also go slowly, but please try to understand this time. If you are starting very highly amount investing, so you are going very fastly, and absolutely you are very badly lost. So if you are starting investing slowly and low amount, so I hope, my friends, Tron is one of the best coin. They will give you a very good profit. The price is also very cheap now, so you will never need, my friends, to invest now in large amount. Please, hope you understand this time, my friend. Tron coin price will be pumping up in last 3 days. You can see 6.36% price is increased now. So that's all credit, I think, goes, my friends, to holder. If a holder are starting holding, so I hope the price will pumping up. But if a holder are starting selling, so they will never give you up profit, and they will lose very badly. So try to understand, Tron holder. Please like a video, like my friend's video, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more of this type informative and urgent updates videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.